Welcome to SRG Sports Official. We are with us Dr. Dimple Joshi, Director of Victorious Endurance. और ये जो मेरे ख्याल से 2 साल से आप
3 साल, 3
स्पॉन्सर्ड
years.
कर
We are
रहे हो,
here for the
तो
last.
मुंबई की ये जो स्कूल क्रिकेट है वो 3 साल से मैडम हैरिस शील्ड जाइल्ड शील्ड जो है वो स्पॉन्सर कर रही है, और उनसे हम बात करेंगे। और स्कूल क्रिकेट उन्होंने 3 साल से कितना एंजॉय करा, बताइए मैम।
It has been a great learning experience, and school cricket has been so far a big learning experience in a way that children are very resilient, and you learn a lot from them. They have courage. They rejoice in other person's success, and if they fail, it doesn't deter them not to try them again. So there's a lot of learning from the school cricket also, and as such, I think cricket is a game where you learn every day. In a cricket always teaches you that in tough times, if there is a one ball can make your life turn around. So even in your tough life, when you are facing challenging situations and you are not okay, still one opportunity can turn around your life. One opportunity, your hard work, your sincerity, it can bring about phenomenal changes in your life. So cricket is like a life, you know. You see so many people who do not do well, they are not scoring, but in the end they just score 10, 6 runs or 4 runs in one ball, and the whole the face of the game changes. In a similar way, our life is also like that. There are a lot of ups and downs, and life is not as we see it. Sometimes it's good for you, sometimes it's bad for you, but the people who play cricket, I'm very sure they have a lot of courage in them. They are very brave. Nowadays we're talking about mental health, that how people are not mentally, they need to talk about the mental health issues, and people are facing anxiety. But in earlier days we never had these problems because they were joint setups and people could talk to each other. We had relatives coming to our place. We could spot a person who was sad. So there was a whole group that was involved in cheering that person if the person did not feel okay. But nowadays, with such a nuclear system coming out, so it's difficult for children also. But I'm very happy that people are again speaking about the mental health associated with the game, the anxiety issues, whatever the problems people have. So there is a conditioning which has been there in society that, oh, we should not be talking about these things. Cricket, game, life is all intertwined into one. So
The why school cricket? Just
I think I generally believe that if we have to build a good nation, should have good people, and good people nation building can only start at a grassroots level. So college students, not even college, the school children will lay a foundation to the future cricket of our country and of a future citizen of our country, and it is in sync with our Modi ji's dictum also, that he was trying to tell people that please be healthy, please go out and play sport, and he was talking about the entire obesity program. So where I have a feeling that nowadays people don't go out and play. There are no more there are fields where people are, but students are more busy on their mobile games. So cricket or any other game will give you the impetus to go out, work out, run, and that releases a kind of a good hormones in your body, and it makes you feel good. So you will not feel depressed at
yeah,
all.
yeah, yeah.
And secondly, if you have a strong nation, strong children, strong people at the grassroots level, if they are going to exercise, and they are able to take in the failures as they are able to take the success in their life, and they are able to balance both the success and the failures together, so you will have less cases of mental illness and anxiety, depression. These things, they will be able to cope with the situation in a much better way. That is my understanding about life. I mean, sometimes you have no control over certain situations, I understand that, but to feel anxious all the time, and there's a lot of cyberbullying, there's a lot of social media bullying, there's a lot of trolling for all kind of people who are always people who are always in the center of the media, in the center of attraction, who are celebrities. They have to undergo much more mental torture than I mean, rather than the common people like us. So I think that these things would change. Any game changes the way you think. They makes you much more stronger. I think that is why I feel that school is is a very important part, and because people who play Giles Shield and Harris Shield, they go on to prepare to play Indian cricket also. So I want to be the part of their journey and their evolution.
Yeah, absolutely. Next year भी हम आपको देखेंगे यहाँ.
Sure.
And you are doing a really a great job and good
Thank you
job,
so
and I
much.
wish you all the best. और thanks a lot for talking to SRG Sports Office.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.